Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to show you how to convert these numericals into text. So friends, like you have written this number in MS Word and you want to change this to text. So you have to press Ctrl plus F9 from your keyboard. Ctrl F9 is click that the function area gets appear like this. So you have to write any number, like you want to write text for 4521 that's written above, and after that you have to press backslash and then click star. Then here you have to type card text, and after that you can click anywhere. This is selected area for function, and as you click on anywhere of this area, this will be highlighted like this is a special something kind of. And if you want to convert this to text, then you have to click on update the field. The field is updated now, and after that you have to click on toggle field codes. So the number has now been converted to text. So if you want to change the number, you can just you have to click again on toggle field codes. Then here you have to change the numericals, like I want to change to this 4201, and after that you have to click from right click of your mouse, update fields, and then you have to go to toggle field codes. And as you click there, the numericals or the numbers will be converted to text like 4201, and you can see that the number was this. So this is very important or very useful in MS Word when you are working there. And in next video, I will show you how to change these numericals to text in MS Excel. Thank you guys.